Hi guys, welcome to ActiveMomsNetwork.com. Natural high-fiber foods for babies. High-fiber foods helps in their growth and development, especially their brain and their body. Why high-fiber food for toddler? Fiber slowly down indigestion by making your baby feel fuller for a longer period of time. Fiber increases the capacity of stool bulk and helps to keep their constipation regular. Oatmeals. Oatmeals are too rich in a high fiber, and it is good for the babies. Apple. One apple with the skin has 3.6 grams of fiber, and is sweet enough that most babies will readily eat it up. Berries. Raspberries are offering up a whopping 4 grams of fiber for every half cup. Pears. A medium-sized pear, with the skin, provides 5.5 grams of fiber. Banana. A medium-sized banana supplies 3.1 grams of fibers. Carrot. 1 cup of chopped raw carrots contains almost 4 grams of fiber, and cooked carrots come in even higher at 5 grams per cup. Whole grain bread. Whole wheat and whole grain bread have an average of 2 grams of high fiber per slice. Whole wheat pasta. A half-cup serving of cooked whole wheat pasta contains about 2 grams of fiber each. Sweet potato. In one medium spud, there is over 400% of your daily vitamins A requirement. A medium-sized sweet potato contains 3.8 gram fibers. Corn. A half-cup serving of cooked corn has 1.8 grams of fiber. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.